Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, change the color of shape, select the opacity effect, shadow enable button down, adjust the shape, then select a sticker, duplicate the sticker, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.